Hello and welcome back to English Friends Chat. It is so good to see you today.
Hi, everyone. We are so happy you are here with us. We have a very special lesson today. If you are new to our channel, please click the subscribe button and like this video. It helps us stay connected with you.
Yes, thank you for your support. It makes us very happy to see our community growing every day. Ryan, you look very busy today. What are you doing with those papers?
I am organizing my notes, Emma. I found many new English words this week.
That is a great thing to do. I am drinking a warm cup of herbal tea because it helps me think.
Tea is very good for the brain. I am eating a small piece of dark chocolate because they say it helps you remember things.
Chocolate and tea are the perfect tools for learning. I am excited to help our friends learn how to grow their word power.
Me too. It is a beautiful day to learn together. I think we are ready to begin.
Today, we have a very important topic to discuss. We are talking about how to learn new vocabulary.
Vocabulary is our first hard word, and it simply means the set of words that a person knows or uses in a language.
Knowing more vocabulary helps you speak better and understand more movies and books.
We will talk about how to find words, how to remember them, and how to use them in your daily life.
We will also use very long role plays to show you exactly how to use these tips in real-life situations.
This will be very helpful for your next study session. Let us start our first section.
Ryan, when you find a new word, what is the first thing you do?
The first thing I do is I use a notebook.
A notebook is a book with empty pages where you can write things down to remember them.
I carry a small notebook in my pocket every day, so when I hear a new word, I write it down immediately.
That is a very good habit. Another thing people do is they look it up.
Look it up. That is our first phrase. It means to search for information in a book or on the internet.
If you see a word you do not know, you should look it up in a dictionary to find the definition.
Definition, that is hard word number 3. A definition is the exact meaning of a word.
Ryan, I am reading this English book and I just found a word that I do not understand.
That is okay, Emma. What is the word?
The word is neighborly. I think it is about people who live near you, but I am not sure.
Yeah, that is a good guess. Let us look it up in my dictionary app on my phone.
Thank you. I want to find the correct definition so I can use it later.
Okay, the dictionary says that neighborly means being kind and friendly to the people who live near you.
Oh, that is a very nice word. I want to be a neighborly person.
You are already very neighborly, Emma. Now you should write it in your notebook.
Good idea. I am writing the word and the definition right now.
You should also write the date, so you know when you learned it.
That is a smart tip. I will write the dates and a small sentence to help me remember.
That is how you build your vocabulary bit by bit. Bit by bit, that is our second phrase. It means slowly or doing a little bit at a time. You cannot learn 1,000 words in one day, but you can learn 3 words every day, bit by bit.
I agree. Now let us talk about how to remember those words. I like to use a flashcard.
Flashcard, word number 4. A flashcard is a small card with a word on one side and the meaning on the other side.
You can use them to test yourself while you're on the bus or waiting for a friend.
It is a very effective way to practice repetition.
Repetition, word number 5. This means doing something again and again to make it stay in your mind. Hi, Ryan. You look very focused. Are those flashcards in your hand?
Hi, Emma. Yes, I am practicing the words I learned last week.
How many cards do you have there?
I have 20 cards. I look at the English word, and then I try to remember the meaning in my head.
That is a great way to study. Can I test you on a few cards?
Sure. Please take this card and tell me the word.
The word is achieve. Do you know the meaning?
Achieve means to finish something successfully after working hard.
Correct. You are doing very well. Let us try another one.
I am ready for the next challenge.
The next word is exhausted. What does that mean?
Exhausted means being very, very tired.
You got it. You have learned these words by heart.
By heart, that is our third phrase. It means to learn something so well that you can remember it without looking.
I want to learn every new word by heart.
It takes a lot of repetition, but you can do it.
Thank you for the encouragement, Ryan.
You are welcome, Emma. Keep practicing with your flashcards.
That was our second role play. We used the words flashcard, repetition, and the phrase by heart.
Now, let us talk about a very important part of learning a word, which is context.
Context, word number 6. Context means the situation or the words around a new word that helps you understand it.
If you only learn a word alone, it is hard to use it. But if you learn it in a sentence, it is much easier.
I always tell my students to read stories because stories give you perfect context.
Another tip is to find a synonym and an antonym.
Those are two big words. A synonym is a word that has the same meaning as another word.
For example, happy and joyful are synonyms.
And an antonym is a word that has the opposite meaning.
For example, happy and sad are antonyms.
Knowing synonyms and antonyms helps your brain connect new words to words you already know. Ryan, listen to this sentence. The view from the mountain was magnificent.
That is a beautiful sentence. Do you know what magnificent means?
I can guess from the context this sentence is talking about a mountain view, so it must mean very beautiful.
Exactly. Can you think of a synonym for magnificent?
Let me think. Maybe wonderful or amazing.
Yes, those are perfect synonyms.
And what about an antonym? What is the opposite of a magnificent view?
I think an antonym would be ugly or boring.
That makes sense. So a magnificent view is the opposite of an ugly view.
Now you understand the word much better because you know the synonyms and antonyms.
I will add magnificent to my notebook right now.
That is the best way to grow your vocabulary bit by bit.
I am feeling more confident already.
That was our third role play. We used context, synonym, and antonym.
Now, we should talk about how a word sounds. We call this pronunciation.
Pronunciation, word number 9. It is the way in which a word is spoken.
Even if you know the meaning, you must practice the pronunciation so people can understand you.
I like to listen to native speakers and repeat what they say.
That is a great tip. We call that shadowing. Fluency, word number 10. It is the ability to speak a language well and quickly.
To reach fluency, you must use your new words as much as possible.
We have a very famous phrase for this. Use it or lose it.
Use it or lose it, phrase number 4. It means if you do not practice a skill, you will forget how to do it.
If you learn a word but never speak it, your brain will forget it after a few days. Ryan, you are doing a great job learning these words, but you should try saying them out loud.
I am a little shy, Emma. I am worried my pronunciation is not perfect.
Do not be shy. Everyone makes mistakes when they are learning. Remember the rule. Use it or lose it. If you use specifically 5 times today, you will never forget it.
I will try to use it in every conversation I have today.
That is the spirit. That is how you reach fluency.
Thank you, Emma. You are a very supportive friend.
You are welcome, Ryan. Let us move to our last phrase.
Our last phrase is practice makes perfect.
Practice makes perfect. Phrase number 5. It means that if you do something many times, you will become very good at it.
It is the most important rule for any language learner.
Do not be sad if you forget a word today. Just practice again tomorrow.
We have learned so many words and phrases today. It has been a very productive lesson.
I agree. Let us review all the hard words now.
I am ready. Let us go through the 10 hard words first.
I am ready.
Word number 1 is vocabulary.
The set of words you know in a language.
Word number 2 is notebook.
A book where you write things down to remember them.
Word number 3 is definition.
The exact meaning of a word.
Word number 4 is flashcard.
A small card used for testing your memory.
Word number 5 is repetition.
Doing something many times to remember it.
Word number 6 is context.
The situation or words around a word that help you understand it.
Word number 7 is synonym.
A word that means the same thing.
Word number 8 is antonym.
A word that means the opposite.
Word number 9 is pronunciation.
The way a word is spoken.
Word number 10 is fluency.
Speaking a language is silly and well.
And our 5 phrases were, look it up, bit by heart, use it or lose it, and practice makes perfect.
Haha, those are the perfect tools for our friends to grow their English.
Now let us play a quick game called Synonym Match. I will say a simple word, and you give me a synonym that is more interesting.
I love this game. Let us play.
The first word is big.
Huh? A more interesting word for big is large or huge.
Correct. The next word is small.
Tiny or little.
Yes, the next word is fast.
Quick or rapid.
Perfect. Last one. The word is smart.
Intelligent or clever.
You are very intelligent, Emma.
Thank you, Ryan. You're very clever too.
We are at the end of our video today. We hope you learned a lot of new things about learning vocabulary.
Thank you for staying with us and being part of our English family.
Practice these tips every day and you will see big progress.
Remember to use your notebook and your flashcards.
It is a journey, so enjoy the process bit by bit.
Before we go, we have our question of the day.
Today's question is, what is your favorite new English word that you learned recently?
That is a great question. Please tell us in the comments below.
We want to see the words you are adding to your notebooks.
For example, you can write, my favorite new word is magnificent because it sounds powerful.
Or you can write, my favorite new word is friend because it is a happy word.
We are excited to see your answers.
Thank you for watching English Friends Chat. Do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel.
See you in the next video, friends.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye.